Hello everyone, good day. I am Markil Jolanda. In this video, we're going to discuss a different kind of navigational chart and their purposes. And ang akong napili karon nga i-discuss is the two types of navigational charts, which is the paper charts. A paper charts is a way of presenting information, usually by putting into vertical rows and boxes on a sheet of paper so it can be easily understood. Paper charts are used for navigation across open seas and oceans, and they cover very large areas. These charts contain very limited amounts of nautical and hydrographical information. A paper charts refer to traditional physical presentation of data information and typically in the form of maps, diagrams, or graph printed on paper. They are used to display or communicate information visually in various fields such as navigation, geography, finance, or even health. Example of paper charts, navigational charts. Used by sailor and pilot for route planning, these charts include information on coastline, depth, hazard, and navigational aids. The second topic is electronic charts. The electronic chart display and information system is a development in the navigational chart system are used in naval vessels and ships. With the use of the electronic chart system, it has become easier for ships navigating crew to pinpoint location and attain directions. Electronic charts are digital representation of various data, often used for analysis, navigation, or decision making. Electronic charts can be used in various ways across different industries and sectors to enhance decision making, streamline processes, and improve accuracy and efficiency.
Coastal charts are intended for ensure coastways navigation for entering or leaving bays and harbors of considerable width and for navigation large inland waterways. And ang mga coastal chart ay used for coastal navigation where vessels travels along the coast but not too far offshore. Makita ra siya sa ay makita ra siya og ganang mga island mo nay mga coastal. Then ang coastal chart are designed for inshore navigation and can help mariners navigate safely and efficiently. So naipod ganang coastal navigation kay naipod ganang mga kung mga numero sa kuan sa mapa. Ang higher nga numbers is kuha na siya laom, then ang smaller nga number may na siya mabaw.
Hello sir, good day. I am Midshipman Villaber. I'm going to discuss general chart. General chart are intended for coastwise navigation outside of outlying reef and shoals. A general chart of the coast refers to nautical chart that provides a broad overview of a coastline, typically used for coastal navigation outside of very close in areas like harbors with scale, usually ranging from 1 to 300,000 to 1.1 million, displaying major landmark, navigational dangers, and deep contours on a wider scale compared to more detailed coastal or harbor charts. General chart used for planning for coastal and voyage, fixing position along the coast, and identifying potential navigational hazard. That's all, sir. Thank you and God bless.
Harbor charts are intended for navigation and encouraged in harbor and small waterways, a place on the coast where vessels may find shelter, especially one protected from rot, water by piers, jetties, and other artificial structures.
Sailing chart. Sailing charts are the smallest scale chart used for planning fixing position at sea and for plotting the dead reckoning while proceeding on a long voyage. Another term of sail chart is also known as nautical chart. It's a map that helps mariners navigate the ocean. It shows the shape of the shoreline and seafloor, as well as other information that helps mariners plot a safe course.